Product manipulation, it's the same thing like photo manipulation, but the difference is in photo manipulation you are working with photos, and in product manipulation you are working with products and also photos. These are combined together. Product manipulation can be a little bit intimidating. That is, if you are just getting into it for the very first time, you've not done it before, you don't know what software to make use of, you don't even know how to create the product a client gives to you. If you're having that problem, you don't need to worry because this course is actually going to solve that problem for you. Hi, I'm Moses Michael. I'm a digital artist and illustrator. I'm going to be your instructor in this course. In this course, we are going to learn the basics of product manipulation. First, we are going to learn how to gather our reference and create a mood board. After gathering our reference and creating a mood board, then we'll go into Adobe Illustrator where we are going to make use of the references we've gathered to create a base modeling of our product. After that, we will send this product into Adobe Stager where we are going to stage our product, add a camera, add a light, and also add materials and label. And finally, we will send this product into Adobe Photoshop and create the final presentation, which is ready to present to your client or use for any advert or whatever it is you want to use it to do. By the ending of this course, you will be able and proudly create your own product manipulation, which you can use to earn from a client or just use it for a poster or advert. Grab your laptop and a tablet, grab your laptop and a mouse, or grab your PC and a tablet, or grab your PC and a mouse, and let's get right into this course and begin your journey of creating a product manipulation. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.